it's important as a leader in a government to try and do my part. So whether it's driving a hybrid vehicle or a plug-in hybrid and making those investments for my family, whether it's trying to reduce single-use plastics. I got this from Fairfax Water, and it says Fairfax Water customers can fill this bottle with 20 ounces of water every single day for 10 years for the same cost as buying a 20-ounce $1.50 bottle of water. So reducing your plastic usage. I laugh because at the Board of Supervisors at all of our meetings, here's my Fairfax County Park Authority coffee mug. So I always find that I'm sitting there with James Walkinshaw and Dahlia Palchik, and we're all like, wait, who's got the Fairfax County Park Authority mug today? Every little bit counts, and that's what we're trying to do in my family and hopefully in your family as well.